Unscrew the screws first, then the anti-collision rubber strip aligns with the slot, and then screw it in. Combine the heavy hammer with the heavy hammer on the main pole, and tighten it with a screw. Remove the tape from the light outlet on top of the instrument. Screw the light guiding arm cylinder on by rotating it. Be sure to tighten it, or it will affect the light out. Rotate and tighten the light guide arm ring to secure the light guide arm cylinder. Mounting the light guiding arm main rod on the light guiding arm cylinder. Rotary tightening. There is a black rotary button on the side of the light guide arm. First unscrew the 3 screws to remove the black cover. Then turn the button counterclockwise. Rotate until you see the metal rod. Press firmly to adjust the angle of the weights. Adjust the weight to 90 and release the button. Then turn the button clockwise to tighten it. Screw the black cover in place again. Rotate the knob on the back to adjust the distance between the weights. Snap the placement rack onto the slot on the main bar and secure it with screws. Attach the operating head to the light guide arm. Rotary guide arm interface tightening. After mounting, place the operating head on the stand. Align the cable connector on top of the light guide arm with the connector on top of the light guide arm and plug it in. Then rotate it to tighten it. Plug in the cable connector under the light guide arm to the connector on the instrument. If you hear a D sound, you're connected correctly. Align the cable connector of the operating head with the connector of the metal rod of the light guide arm and plug it in. Then rotate it to tighten it. First unscrew the 2 screws on the screen. Align the screen slot with the slot on the instrument. Fix with screws. Plug the cable into the connector at the bottom of the screen and rotate to tighten. Connect the foot pedals. There is a lid above the instrument. Open the lid. An optional operating head can be placed inside. 4 ports on the lower back of the instrument. Unscrew the screw caps from the water inlet and vents. Attach the hose funnel to the water inlet. Put a container under vents. Fill the instrument with about 10 liters of pure or distilled water through a funnel until vents has water overflow represents the residence full of water. When vents no longer retains water, remove the funnel. Screw the screw cap back on. Connecting the power supply. Break the funnel protection switch upwards. Unscrew the turn here on the operating handle. Wipe the lenses clean with a microfiber cloth from the accessory bag. After cleaning, rotate the operating head back into place. Unscrew it with a screwdriver. Remove the blown fuse and replace it with a new one. Then screw it back in with a screwdriver. Replace the blown fuse with a new one and screw it back in with a screwdriver. Remove the screw cap from the drain first. Hose funnel on the drain. Catch it with a container, then open the screw cap on the overflow. Water will leave the drain. Until it is left finished, screw the screw cap back on. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the back. Remove the metal plate. Unscrew the filter cup by rotating it with the matching tool. Rotate to remove filter cup and old filter cartridge. Clean the filter cup and put in a new filter cartridge. Rotate to tighten with a tool after rotating to tighten. Then put the metal plate back on with screws.